What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I have a cool video for you today. We have looks like a 2022 or maybe a 2021. I'm not sure. This is that weird year that GM did the old body style and the new body style in the same year. The truck looks like a 2021, but the VIN plate says 2022. So anyways, we're doing the 6-inch lift on this. It's a rough country Vertex coilover lift kit. Ought to be really nice. I say 6-inch. It's called a 4-inch kit because this is a Trail Boss truck, but it comes factory lifted 2 inches, so they call it a 4-inch lift because it actually only lifts the truck 4 inches more. But technically, this is the 6-inch lift that they sell for the standard Silverado. We're just putting on the Trail Boss today. We're going to be doing a 22 by 12 4-play wheel. It's going to look amazing on this truck with a 35-inch Fury RT tire. If you see them in the back there. The customer brought us all the parts. We're going to get this one knocked out hopefully in one day for them. So stay tuned for the process. By the way, the truck is super clean. I thought it was a brand new truck until I got around and looked at the front of it. So hats off to the customer for taking care of the truck, and it's going to look amazing. So stay tuned for the process. All right, so here's our truck. About to go up on the lift right now and get started on it. The truck looks amazing from the factory. Has a blacked out front end, red tow hooks, and some black wheels. So these trucks really do look good, you know, right out of the box. But what we're going to do to it is going to be pretty cool. There's that Fury RT. I don't have much experience with this particular tire. We'll see today how it balances out. We sell a lot of their mud tires and they do all right, but that RT is a mystery to me. We're doing the looks like the black with the brush face and the tinted gloss clear coat, 4-play 4-piece 7. I'm not sure. I think this is the wheel that I always sell from them, but we'll see once we open it up out of the box. The truck looks awesome. Looks like he just bought it. Stay tuned, we're about to get it in the air. Well, so the truck's done. I was going to do all the filming on the outside of the truck to show it to you, and I'm about to go out there and do it, but I jumped in the truck and turned the air on. It is burning up out here. I bet you it's 100 degrees outside, so maybe this is one of the hottest days we've had so far, but out here on this concrete pad in the back, it's hot. So the truck's done, the lift kit's on, the tires and wheels are on. It looks amazing. The customer's coming first thing in the morning to get it picked up, so I thought I'd go ahead and do the closing comments now. Really happy with the way the truck turned out. I'm about to walk out there and show you from the outside and take a look at this truck. Tell me what you think. All right, so we got our Silverado ready to go. This is the 2021-2022 Silverado 1500. We did the, this is actually a Trail Boss. We did the 4-inch rough country lift with the coilovers. This is the Vertex coilovers that they sell. This is their upper control arm. They sell optionally on silver or red. Either way, it looks good. The red matches very well with the tow hooks in the front of this truck. So I guess I understand why he went with those. The lift kit is very, very nice from them. It's at a really good price as well. Their cross member looks amazing. They have a skid plate that goes there in the front. All of your angles look great on this lift kit. So definitely, if you're wanting to get a nice lift kit for a nice price, Rough Country is definitely the one I would go with. The wheels we went with on this one were the 22 by 12. Like I said, he brought the stuff to me on this lift kit, so we didn't sell it to him, but 22 by 12 4 plays look amazing. He did the 35 1250 22 Fury Country Hunter RT. This is a good like hybrid tire between an all-terrain and a mud tire. A little bit better mileage, a little bit less noise. So that's always an option to go with as well. And we did a little bit of minor trimming here, nothing much on the front. This will need to be cleaned still. It hasn't been cleaned. I'm kind of in a hurry on this truck, so I haven't had a chance to wipe it down, but we did put a plug right here in the fender to kind of make up for that hole that used to be there where that mud flap was. So this truck will clear all the way and everything is good with it. Overall, I think it looks nice. It's a good truck to drive every day. You know, you can fit in the parking decks and stuff with this height. It's not crazy big, but I do like the way it looks. It does drive really good. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you guys want to get a build like this done, or if you have any questions, you know where to find me. I'm at Southern Tire, McDonough, Georgia. The number here is 678-994-9180. And thanks for watching.